Homeowners in Hemby Bridge, North Carolina, 28079. Are you looking for a professional crawlspace encapsulation contractor? High humidity and water in your crawlspace produces the ideal environment for mold, insect infestation, termites, and wood rot. Encapsulation can control moisture in your crawlspace, preventing deterioration of your structural wooden components, the very foundation of your home. Another benefit of encapsulation is reduced energy costs and a healthier environment due to stopping the air infiltration carrying mold spores and odors from your crawlspace into your living area. Greg, a recent customer, said it best: professionalism, punctuality, quality, responsiveness, and value best describe CCSS. Charlotte Crawlspace Solutions is a local, independent, family-run business providing 5-star Google-rated service to the Piedmont area of North and South Carolina. Take advantage of our free inspection offer by calling 704-989-8219 and encapsulate your crawlspace now.